we have my husband in the building. In the parlor. That's all of us, guys, and we're just doing a family vlog today. Cannot be cooking every time. Mr. Obi needs to come out in the video. Hello, Mr. Obi.
Hello.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Eche D. If you're watching this face for the very first time, I'm Eche, a mother of two living in the UK. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. I've been busy this morning, guys, and I've been up and down with the kids. My husband is at home today, so he's currently learning the grass at the garden, and I just finished doing some laundry. It's a really sunny day, guys. It's really sunny. I want to take the laundry outside, and Chikamso and Cassie, they're outside already. Here they are, guys. This is Cassie on her swing, and this is Chikamso. Say hello. Yeah? Okay, my slippers, yeah? Where is it? I thought I came out with it before. Oh, that is almost done. Hello, Mr. Obi. Mr. Obi. Mr. Obi. Hello. Before I could come down, guys, he has finished cutting the grass. I will come and show you guys the grown-up grass. He has finished cutting the grass. The mommy's flowers, all the flowers are gone. Before I came out, there are a lot of beautiful white flowers in the garden. So that's all of us, guys, and we're just doing a family vlog today. It cannot be cooking every time. Mr. Obi needs to come out in the video. Hello, Mr. Obi.
Hello. How are you doing?
I'm fine. We need to speak British accent. Can you believe it, guys? Someone actually contacted me telling me why am I not speaking British accent. Can you imagine? Can you imagine some people? Like, you expect anybody that is in the UK, the person should just start speaking British accent. Really? And the funny thing is that when you now start speaking, they are the kind of people that will say, oh, you're faking it, you're forming it. Why are you speaking? You know, like, when did you go to the UK? Please calm down. I cannot be what I am not. I have to be myself. Anyhow the English come out from my mouth and the intonation come out, I will throw it like that. Don't mind me, guys. I need to rant. See my hair. Oh God, I need to make my hair.
Mommy.
Yeah. Oh, what's that?
It's flowers.
Oh, I'm funny. Mommy is funny. Oh, Cassie, look. Chikamso gave me flowers. You like it? Wow, Cassie, I love your shoe. Are you guys seeing Cassie's shoe? Wow, so pretty. Wow. So guys, I was actually busy with the laundry. I need to spread this out here, and this is why I piled them. I need to spread them out here and take them outside. It's really sunny today, guys. Really sunny. I got it on camera. Hello. I'm gonna go inside with Cassie.
No, it's too big.
Yeah, it can fit the both of you. That's why it's big.
I need
What are you doing? Are you playing with the box? Cassie,
Say hello to mommy.
say hello. Say hello. Hello. Good girl. High five. Good girl. Give mommy a hug. Hmm. What are you doing?
She's cooking.
You're cooking. What are you cooking?
She's cooking spaghetti.
Spaghetti?
Yes.
Oh, I love spaghetti. Can I have some?
Yes.
Please, can you get some for me? Cassie is sleeping. Sleeping. That's why I carry her on my back to do every house chores.
My this is yours.
Oh, spaghetti is coming. Oh, spaghetti. This is spaghetti.
Mom, do you like it?
Yes, I like it. I can see you. Huh? Nom, 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 nom. Nom, 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 nom. Pusso.
Okay. I bring water.
Okay.
I thought I bring water.
Okay. I feel much better.
Don't drink pepper.
Okay.
It's for the fridge.
Thank you, Chikamso.
You're welcome. Put it
You want to put it in the fridge, so what will happen?
oven.
Oh, fridge is not same as oven. They are two different things. Like two different things. So, what color is the peanut butter?
Peanut butter is red. Peanut butter
And strawberry jam is?
red.
Good girl. So let's make a wiggly sign. Wiggly. Can you do it? Do this one. Wiggly. Yeah, just something nice. Oopsie. Okay, we're going to bake now, okay?
Okay.
Let's put this here. We're going to wash this up, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So put this in the
Open.
good girl. Put it in the oven for
Very yummy.
baby and Chikamso and mommy and daddy.
Red mix.
No, you don't need to mix. We'll finish mixing, please. We want that beautiful pattern on it. Okay, guys, this is what it looks like. So beautiful. So I'm going to put it in the oven. Hello, Chikamso. What are you doing?
It's eating.
Are you eating? The jam? You're licking the jam? Yum.
Want to have some?
Yes, I want some, please. When I was your age, that's what I do. I lick up the leftovers. Oh, thank you. Nom. No, I want to do pretend licking. Yum. Thank you. Give Cassie. Cassie, You like it? Yum, 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 yum. Try to focus on that camera. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Who do we have here? We have my husband in the building. In the parlor. So we are just trying out to do videos together.
Mommy.
Kaka Gugu is back. Oh, careful.
Want to come down.
Cassie.
You want to come inside?
Cassie will not let me rest. Look at her. Cassie, allow me now. We want to make video with daddy, okay? Yes.
Gigi, do you want to ride your bike?
No.
So guys,
What about your
it's a
scooter?
hot sunny day. So we're just chilling. The door is open. The kids are in the garden, but this very kid will not let me be. So bye. Cassie, say bye.
Yeah.
So guys, that's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.